So if you're anything like me, you like tools, you like organization, and you rely on these tools a lot. However, one thing that really irks me is when I go into my toolbox for the car and I need to find a wrench, I gotta dig for them. Got some here, there's one here, one back here, there's one down here. So today I'm going to show you a really cheap and easy way to organize wrenches. There's a lot of ideas out there, but here's a really easy one that I like that I thought I'd show you. So today's video is a continuation of my last video from Savers, where I got some Milwaukee tools for under $5. If you haven't seen that, check it out in the top right. But I told you I'd tell you about this top purchase that I had that was $3, but after my coupon was only $1.50. And this was a solution to help me deal with my wrench disaster. So I saw this bag of just miscellaneous stuff. You can see here, here's the tag. I get too excited to open up things, but you can see it was $2.99, so $1.50 after tax. And what I saw was all these carabiners. So if you know where I'm going with this, I just figured what a cheap way to get a whole bunch. That way I can organize all of my toolboxes. And then I get a whole bunch of, I guess, other free quote-unquote stuff. So as you can see here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Yeah, 11 carabiners. Okay, so we'll put those aside. And then all this stuff, this is all like alcoholic drinks, keychains, and things of that nature. So I guess, I could sell these if I want, hold on to them. But you can see, and then I had some can or bottle openers here, so I guess those are some tools and all these extra accoutrements. But we're gonna put these aside because this is not what the video's about. Today's video is all about these as a solution to help with toolbox storage. So you can probably see where I'm going with this. This is a great way to store combination wrenches. Because right now my toolbox is just a hodgepodge of hide and seek. Where's Waldo? Where's the 10mm socket? And if I need a certain wrench, it's a pain because I have to dig out all the wrenches. I have to see what size is what. And my thought to kind of help with this is to use a carabiner. So what you can do is you can just use the box end, and look at that. You can just slide them on. In order, or whatever makes the most sense. And look at that, right there, with what, $1.50 divided by 10, so, or no, there's 11 I thought. So for less than 15 cents, I have a wrench holder that holds 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 wrenches. Now, you can obviously put a lot more time and thought into this. One way is maybe you get different colored carabiners. Maybe the black is for metric, and then maybe your silver here is for standard. That way when you reach in, you'll know, okay, this is the metric rack, this is the standard rack. So that's a pretty nifty way to store your wrenches. I guess you could do this in your toolbox as well, but for me, I like it when I'm on the go, so I don't have to, dig around just to find that one wrench that I need. And then whenever you need a size, obviously it's a little bit of a pain in the butt, but you can move the wrenches around so that you can get access to, in this case, our 13mm. And then when you're done, slip it back in, and then everything is back in order. So I don't know, I thought that was a nifty little idea, not rocket science, but I figured, that's what YouTube's for, right? Sharing ideas and helping folks out. So I hope the video was helpful. If you learned anything or you have any suggestions of things that you use or found helpful for storing your wrenches, let us know. I'd appreciate it. And check out my other videos. I publish how-to videos every Monday on tool storage, car repair, auto home repair, and things of that nature. So if you like this kind of content, give the video a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.